Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make Zimbabwean buns. First, gather all your ingredients like flour, sugar, yeast, and milk. Ensure your workspace is clean and organized. Measure everything precisely before you begin the mixing process. This preparation step is crucial for a smooth baking experience and delicious results, setting the foundation for perfect buns. Once your dough is formed, transfer it to a lightly floured surface and knead it for about 10 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, place the dough in a greased bowl, cover it, and let it rise in a warm place for approximately 1 hour, or until it has doubled in size. Gently punch down the risen dough to release the air. Now it's time to shape your buns. Divide the dough into equal portions, each weighing around 60 grams. Roll each piece into a smooth, round bun. Place these shaped buns on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper, ensuring there's enough space between them. Cover the buns and let them rise for a second time for about 30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius. Bake the buns for 15 to 20 minutes or until they turn a beautiful golden brown. As soon as they come out of the oven, you can brush them with melted butter or a simple sugar glaze for extra flavor and shine. Serve these delicious Zimbabwean buns warm and enjoy your homemade treat.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.